Hello, everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat, trading partner, along with Bob Iacchino. Sorry for no crypto updates recently. We just hit my final upside target right now, 56,281. We got up to 56,545, so you can see all those targets were hit to the upside, and we were pausing right in front of it. Now we're pausing again at it. So at this point, I have to go to a pausing bar. This is the pausing bar on the daily. Let's take a look. You can see here drifting slightly upwards. So this is a very slim upward channel and holding the rotation zone. I would just watch the rotation zone coming about 54,500. You break below that, your next little support is about 53,800. 53,800, and then below that, that's when I start watching for the bigger pullback. Again, we've had some waning momentums. You can see here with poking up with higher highs, lower highs on the RSI with the 4-hour. Another divergence with the daily. The day's not closed yet, but we do have a potential divergence up here. We start getting below this 53.8. My next area then, mark it off, is this little key resistance ledge with the rising rotation zone, 52,700, 52,700. Then below that, there's not a lot of support down until we get to a harmonic level at 49,637, which is also the bottom of the daily rotation zone. And below that, 48,314. Those are all the downside targets. To the upside, we have minor at 57,266. More significant, 58,177. And major, 60,241. Let's see how that looks sort of on the bigger picture. Gotta always keep the bigger picture in mind. So you're going into all this prior choppy resistance area near the all-time highs. So there is a lot to chew through. Also, there's a lot of people who are trapped that have sat all this out and might want to liquidate stuff if it gets back up there. Free up some money, sort of a relief that they've sat through this for months, sort of since the, possibly the beginning of May. And now we're closing in on the middle of October, and if they get a chance to bail, that's why we had some clear moves up here, and now I'm expecting a little more chop, even if we do break to the upside, and also more and more pressure coming on Tether with more and more articles coming out. I've talked about that before. I just think it's a big Ponzi scheme fraud that they print whenever they want. The more sort of they're holding some Chinese paper that they shouldn't. It's just, if that thing unwinds, it's gonna hurt, and it should unwind. It is a fraud. If you're going to do a stable coin, it should be done right, and I don't have a lot of faith in the stable coins, but that's another topic for another day. So that is the Bitcoin. Here's Ethereum. Ethereum with that cluster area 3593 to 3621. You see, could not get a close above there. Plenty of price action right below that 3593 area, which is why we use these levels, but could not get a close above that 3621. At this point, we can bump this up, get the bigger pullback. We've now pulled back to this 3440 area, which we already identified. That was this little key significant level. And now below the rotation zone, if we drop below that, my next support area is 33.46 to about 33.30, right near bottom of the rotation zone with this other significant level. And below that, then I'm keying off of 3,200 right here. If we drop below 3,200 then I'll look for some minor levels if that happens, but my major level then is back to 2765. Now to the upside, I'm not interested until we can get a close above 36.21. That's very key at this point. The close above 36.21, then I'll start targeting 37.97, 39.24 to the upside. Do not ignore that 39.24. That is near the recent swing highs, and it's a key harmonic level. So there's going to be a fair amount of resistance up there. Let's just take a look at that 4 hour. You can already see 4 hours broken below the rotation zone. It could not hold, and we're getting some pretty decent selling pressure reacting right now to that significant level. But on any rally, resistance now, this was support. You see resistance over here becoming support, support. Now it's back to resistance. So resistance on any rally, first level of a rally is 35.20. That's what I will be watching for, key resistance, especially with the hooking over rotation zone. So that'll be an area, if we do rally back, that I'll be watching for another potential rotation lower. That's all I have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin. I'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.